how to add a YouTube chat overlay in your OBS Studio. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to streamlabs.com, and then you'll need to sign in or create an account if you don't have one already. And once you're signed in for the first time, if you don't have your accounts linked, you can go to the multi-stream tab from the left side and then link any platform that you're streaming on. So for example, YouTube in this case. Now, once you've linked your account, you want to go to chat box from the left side, then skip the tutorial, and then you can customize your chat window, which displays a preview on the right side of how it's going to look like. And once you finish customizing these, you can simply copy the URL from the top, which is the widget URL. You can click on show and then copy this, the entire URL. And then you want to open up your OBS Studio. And to add this widget, click on plus icon and then click on browser. And you can give it a name. So for example, chat or chat box. Click on OK. And then here you want to paste the URL that you've copied from the website. And you can also adjust the width and the height here. Now you can press OK. And then you can adjust its size again in the viewport and place it wherever you want. And whenever you start streaming and somebody's typing in the chat, you're going to see the message appear in here. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.